How to change phone number on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can change your phone number on Shopify. So let's get started. So first things first, what you're going to do is you're going to come over here onto Shopify, log in, and once you've logged in you are set to go. Then what you want to do is you want to come over here onto the left hand side, click on settings at the bottom left corner, and over here you will have store details. Now over here you can change the profile name, the store phone number, and the store email as well. Just simply click on this pen icon, change the store name, add your phone number and your store email as well, and that will allow you to change your phone number. And that is it. That is how you change your store phone number. And other things that you can do is you can come over here onto the domains, and over here if you have an option to change some domain settings, then you can change the phone number from there as well. But since I don't have a custom domain, I am not getting that setting. But if you can access that, you can change it from here as well. If not, then you can go into store details and change the phone number from here. So thank you for watching, and that is how you change your phone number on Shopify. So thank you for watching, and hope you guys learned something new here. And if you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.